second I woke up, I checked the news, and I didn't realise how stressed I'd been about Notre Dame until I started literally crying with relief when I realised that the structure has been saved. But I'm feeling anxious. I don't think I'm going to be able to settle until I've checked on our chapel. It's such a responsibility having these old buildings to look after and feeling that craftsmanship of centuries is in my hands. All's well with the world at Lalande. The chapel of St. Joseph lives to stand over us another day, though somewhat more modestly than the 900-year-old Cathedral of Bourges. Marie and I have come to Bourges.
Yes.
And we're going to have fun.
Yes.
What are we going to do?
We find furniture.
We're desperately needing a bed. Yeah. Okay, but let's find some really nice food first.
Yes, let's go. Starving.
We are. Ooh, looks pretty. That is a good sized glass of wine for lunch.
I'm not sure if it's big enough.
Let's see how we get on.
Yeah.
I love your headband.
Thank you. Ooh, this is good.
The minute there's peanuts, I'm going to eat all the peanuts before the food arrives. It's just catastrophic.
Okay.
I just exploded Marie's glass with my gimbal.
Yep.
I'm so embarrassed. I can't look up. Okay, back to 2 full glasses of wine. Life's looking up again. This is the only food I've seen that comes close to being as beautiful as yours. The remains of our cheese platter. We're going crazy. Oh, someone's happy. Have we just died and gone to your heaven? What have you found?
Skirt.
I love the little bit of brown lace.
I think it's underwear, but you know.
Apparently that's really in at the moment though, is silken bias cut slips with a jumper.
Right, there we go.
Look at these curtains and imagine them as Easter tablecloths.
Super.
Because how many, you'll have a better idea of me than what the heck is going on next weekend, but how many of us are there for Easter?
Oh, well, maybe 35.
35 for
maybe
lunch.
40, yeah.
35 to 40 for lunch. We are going to need every yellow curtain that they have. So, whilst I was filling the car with petrol, you bought all the vending machine? All of it.
It was a rowboat.
You bought it because it was a rowboat?
This is for me and this is for you.
Well, you've made it very clear what's yours, okay? I understand. Yeah. Could I have mine? Thank you very much. I'm continuing the search for a bed online, but I've got sidetracked by...
There you go. I shall come and retrieve it when everyone else comes down.
David, you're a great man. You know that, don't you? What's everyone else having? You know, if you leave that next to me, there won't be any left.
That's fine, there's more in the packet.
Goodies did we get?
Well, for these.
So a big table can have this on.
Yeah.
And the other table can have these. It's going to look so good for Easter.
It's going to be very pretty. I just love that it's so thick as well.
It's perfect as a tablecloth.
What is this, Stephanie?
Ah, yes. I got quite a lot of random Easter eggs. Oh, you got the feathers for the trees.
Yes.
And I bought a ton of eggs.
Whoa!
I like the fake daffodils. Maddie and I have constant arguments over the use of fake flowers.
Well, I am a florist, Stephanie, so... Well, oh, there you go. That wouldn't happen.
No, I love them. Don't kill the thing. You're just trying to make a point.
Look! Oh dear!
Stop it! Stop it, Maddie!
This wouldn't happen if you had fresh flowers.
Well, they will next time you make flowers. I'm going to pull all the tops off. Eggs, that's why I bought this one.
Yeah.
Because they'll look lovely hanging from trees. We
Yeah.
need to go and find the trees later.
We do.
Let's think big.
What to do?
Not just one tree, lots of trees.
Oh, I like these. Nude.
How do you like your eggs nude, do you? So they're your favourites?
Yeah, these are my favourite. because they look much more natural.
Well, we could just put some eggs from our chickens. They look very natural. But isn't the chicken rather inconveniently sitting on them at the moment?
Yes, I think we should just leave them.
Okay, back to plastic eggs then. World's fluffiest chicks.
Oh, they are so cute! Oh my god!
I quite like these ones with the different flowers on each one.
Yeah.
I love the local charity shops.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, and this isn't strictly speaking for Easter, but how can I not buy this underskirt?
Sure.
Oh, he looks magnificent. Why don't we dress like this every year? Stunning. Easter's going to be good. We're going to do this.
Yeah.
High five.
There we
Team Lalande strikes again.
Team Lalande.
What deliciousnesses have you made?
We have made some oat bread, some spicy soup, leftover salad from yesterday with extra salad from today, and Donna has made
A vegetarian lasagna, which is just there going cooling and settling.
just bubbling and finishing cooking while we eat spicy soup.
What a perfect night. Spicy soup. Oh, it looks good.
With pak choy and tofu. Smells amazing.
Yeah, so we're all still eating this meal, and we're just hearing from David and Don what we're going to eat tomorrow. What's the next meal?
So tomorrow's dinner will be a roast chicken with cauliflower and cheese sauce. We're going to grill some leeks and serve them with mustard butter. Going to flavour the chicken in Greek spices and serve it with yoghurt and have tabbouleh salad. It's a lot of things.
Because pasta is
Basically,
really
we
good
can't
for you.
eat anything for the whole entire day, waiting for the...
Binge
Did we
the whole
did we say
colouring
roast
and-
potatoes?
Yes, we didn't
Oh.
say it, but we are doing roast potatoes.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
thank
gonna
God.
be epic.
Real panic there for a moment.
It's a feast.
And all of the juice and water from the vegetables is going to go back in to make the gravy, to go over the top of the chicken.
And if we're lucky, David will bake more oat bread.
Oh, that's so good. The oat bread's
Some
amazing.
of these we think would go quite nicely.
Can someone carry me to my room, please?
What you have been?
Game of Thrones and sewing in bed.
Spared men.
Pretty perfect
Thousands of wildlife when they
evening.
refused to kneel.
So I found Stephanie at her study. What are you doing?
Been too busy to get dressed today because the muse struck, and I'm making a blog.
You look very pretty.
Really? Oh. Oh yes, it's Easter coming.
It's Easter. I
Yeah.
have some too.
Everyone in the house is wearing bunny ears.
Yeah.
So I just wanted a website that was a home for all of the vlogs and photos that we take and anything that we write about the place. So that's what I'm working on now.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Just getting started.
Oh, lovely.
I can't leave my desk today.
No, okay. Well, good luck.
Thank you. Ooh, a parcel's arrived. It's the flowers for the superhero party. The idea is that the entire sitting room will be filled with wisteria hanging down from the ceiling. What do you think?
I think it'll look wonderful.
What? Oh, the bunny ears have been brought out. Oh, it's serious. Oh, it's happening now.
And we went to the woods.
If you go down to the woods today, you'll find bunnies. This is true chateau life, isn't it? Trying to find the bunny ears in the house and bringing in trees.
Sweet, Easter's coming.
Easter is coming. Look at these, are pretty. We can use them on the trees.
Yes. Well, hello, darling. Are you coming to help with the preparations for the guests? I could do with some kitchen help. 7 people eating tonight. No, not looking that eager to help. Marie's on fire with the party organisation. There's a little note up. And meanwhile, I'm getting on with the decoration. I think that this must be some of the things that I've ordered for that. Yes! What can I not achieve with 288 plastic Easter eggs and some fake rosebuds? Oh, good grief. Yes, it's 288 eggs, But that's 288 eggs that we need to assemble by hand. How can you not be excited about these eggs?
This is plastic.
It's plastic.
It's plastic. I don't like. What if we can't get every plastic egg out from the forest?
Then the plastic eggs will wait and someone will get it next year. Woohoo! It's perfect because this way we can reuse them year after year after year. That's less waste in the long run.
Yeah. What if one of those eggs are forgotten?
Well,
And
actually,
then
that did
will we-
happen one year, and we just ate the chocolate the following year when we found it.
Oh.
It was all wrapped, it was fine. Maddie, are you going to sulk less about the plastic flowers?
What?
You're going to sulk less about these than the eggs?
Yes.
So, can I leave you in charge of these on trees?
Okay.
With the feathers?
Yes.
Okay, brilliant. One peacock in each window now. Neither of them helping to put the eggs together, are you? No. New volunteer Anita is saving the day. Well, this really is the Easter room.
Easter egg surprise factory. I am the Easter bunny.
You are definitely the Easter bunny.
It's a secret.
Oh, I love this. Oh my God, you've got a proper little production line going.
Oh yeah. As I said, little factory. We got all kinds of colours, so it's gonna be fun.
Just 288 to do.
Yeah. 10 minutes. Give me.
Oh, excellent. The Easter Bunny has arrived early so that we can really start planning this thing properly. Welcome, elusive Nick. And your rabbit, Crot Crot. At least if you won't be on the vlog, Crot Crot's got no problems whatsoever being on it. And he's here to help me with the Easter preparations. Aren't you? We've got a lot of planning to do. A lot. We better get started. Donna, that is the best cooking outfit I've ever seen.
I think the gloves are the finishing touch.
Would you like some tabbouleh?
Yes, I'd love some, thank you. Marie, is that a new dress I see in my youth shopping trip?
Yes.
Superb. Anita, you look beautiful too.
Oh, thank you very much.
So this is mostly olive oil gravy, but it has the olive oil and the vegetables that the chicken was cooked in.
Wow.
David's
Warn
famous
us.
peanut butter and
Oh my
oat
god, this is something else.
This is leeks grilled in honey mustard butter. Cauliflower cheese.
and roast potatoes.